Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you why is your screen not rotating on your iPhone. Your screen is most probably not rotating because auto rotation lock is enabled. Let's test it, but first let's open an app that we know for sure should rotate because our home screen doesn't rotate at all. But for example, your Photos app should rotate. So if I have the Photos app, if I rotate the phone, it should rotate indeed. If it does not, then slide down from the right top part of your screen and make sure that this button is not enabled. Now you can see that it's not rotating. This is auto rotation lock. If I slide down again, if you don't have this button, then you can click on plus in top left corner. Now click on add a control and then find screen rotation orientation lock. Actually, that's what it's named. So let's select that. You can see I have added this button. Now I have two of them. I can click on it to enable it, and now I can click on it again to disable it. And now when it's disabled, you'll see that the screen can rotate. So and this is the thing, if it still doesn't rotate, then maybe the gyroscope in your phone doesn't work, but it's a very rare thing. Typically it should work just fine, but yeah, very rarely it may not work, and that's why your screen may not be rotating. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.